Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to my ClickBank series. This is day 19 and 20. If you would, please do me a huge favor and click that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Now, what I'm doing is I'm promoting ClickBank products using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. And what My Lead Gen Secrets is, it's a platform where you can get 100 leads every single day for $1 a day. So for $1 a day, I am getting 100 leads, and I have 2 accounts that I'm doing this with. It's actually a case study. The case studies that I've seen doing this, they've had at least 5 accounts. The more accounts you have, the better chance you have of getting a sale. That's why they have so many accounts. And another reason they have 5 or more accounts is because, like, say I got my 2 accounts. My first account, as you can see right here, is getting 200 leads every single day. That's why it says 200 leads. And you see the dates. I'm getting 200 leads every single day because here on the home page, as soon as you come to the home screen right here, this is an affiliate tab. Whenever you sign up your second account, copy this affiliate link, open a new tab, paste it right here, and then sign up right there. In order to get signed up to this, right underneath this video, click on the where it says show more, and in the description, if you click right here, that'll take you to My Lead Gen Secrets. That's what MLGS stands for. So that's how you will sign up for My Lead Gen Secrets. And then there's the link right below it to ClickBank. So you can click on both of those links and it'll take you right to where I'm going to be picking up from yesterday. So, also if you're just tuning in, I would highly recommend starting from the beginning because I break it down a lot better. So you could click on that and start from the very first video, and I explain a lot slower what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So the rest of these series, I'm just going to pretty much be breezing through these videos. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing while I'm doing it so you can still follow along, but I will be moving kind of fast. So if you want it slowed down, just be sure to click on that playlist right there. All right. So now I'm going to sign into my ClickBank to check to see if I had any sales. My stats for yesterday, since I didn't do yesterday, is right here. I did not get a sale. So no sale yesterday. And no sale today. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on my account name right here. I'm just going to open up a new tab and I'm going to close out that other tab. I don't need it no more. So here are my stats for this week, $12.11. I'm going to click on my reporting. I just want to check my hops real quick. Yesterday I started promoting this one called Social Rep. So it's a new product. Send out my first wave of emails to a new product. We didn't even get an initial order form impression, so that's not good. Our hops are 4816. So no sale. We're at 4816. All right. Now I'm just going to click on my tracking ID. I just want to see. All right. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on this marketplace. This is how you find your products that you're going to promote. And with My Lead Gen Secret, the only category that these leads work for is this e-business and e-marketing right here. These leads will not work for anything else. These are people who entered their contact information on websites where they are trying to make money online. So that's why they will only fall into the e-business and e-marketing category. So be sure to click on e-business and e-marketing. Now what I like to do is I already know what product I'm promoting. But if you're just starting off and you're wanting to find out what product to promote, where it says sort by results, it has rank. We don't want to sort it by rank. We want to sort it by gravity. So right now, this is the best converting product that they have right now in this category. We've actually made a few sales doing that one. Right now, we're doing this live chat jobs. You have time, you have to try this one. So what I'm going to do is, let me scroll down a little bit so you all can see it. Man, I'm fumbling over my words like crazy today. What's going on? You get it together. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on affiliate page and then click on open in new tab. Now right here where it says email swipes, this is where they have a whole bunch of pre-written emails for you to use. This is my second day promoting this. Yesterday I used email number 1. So today I'm just going to use email number 2. So I'm going to come over here to my lead gen secret page. I can close these other ones out. I'm going to click on mailing system. I'm going to come down to my leads and I'm going to select all, and it's going to send all of my leads over there to the right. Now for the subject, we're going to come back to this affiliates tab. I'm going to grab the subject, $150 job tomorrow for you. I'm going to copy that with Control and C. I'm going to hit Control and V and paste it right there in the subject. Now scroll down to the body where it says attention, please replace this text with your email ad body. We're going to highlight all of that and just delete it. I'm going to come back over here to the affiliates tab and we're going to copy everything underneath where it says body. So I'm going to start right here where it says hi name. Ooh, my mouse went fast. And I'm going to stop at signature. Do not copy this hop link. This is not your hop link, so do not copy that hop link. So stop at the signature. I'm going to copy that, Control C. Come back to the mailing system tab. Paste that in this box, Control V. And one little trick that I like to do, I like to type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I like to type that out 4 times. And the reason I do that is because I do not want this email to stretch out too much further past that. So after the word work, I'm going to start a new line. And I like to do this in my notepad down here, just because it looks a lot, I could do it a lot faster because of the spacing and everything. So all I do is, since I know I just want to start a new line when I get to the word for, I'll put my cursor in front of for, I'll hit backspace and then enter. And there we go. I just started a new line with it. And that's all I just want to do. So I'm going to shorten up these sentences real quick. All right, now I'm going to copy this again. Actually, yeah, I'm just going to copy it. All right, now I'm going to delete everything that I have highlighted in here. And I'm going to paste what I just copied. Now up here where it says name, they have these codes up here. Full name, first name, last name, email address, IP address, sign up date. Whenever it says name, I just like to grab the first name. We're not going to call somebody by their full name. We're just going to call them by their first name. So copy that, highlight everything, the brackets and all. Hit Control C to copy. Now highlight both of these brackets and name, and then hit Control V to replace it. Now what that does is that's putting the person's name that you're emailing right there in that spot. So you don't have to go through and call each person. How many leads do I got? So I don't have to call 31,200 people individually by their name. It's automatically going to call them by their name, if that makes sense. So that's a pretty cool little trick. And right here where it says signature, I'm going to put my name. All right, now we're done with that little part. Now we got to do the most important part. Now we got to find places to insert our affiliate link so we can get paid. So we're going to come back over here to the marketplace tab. And this is the job we're promoting, the live chat jobs. So now we're just going to click on the promote button. You have to have an account name. That is required. So make sure your account name is showing in this box. Otherwise, they have no clue who this affiliate link is for. So make sure your account nickname is right there in that little box right there, that little section. Tracking ID, as you can see, this is optional. You do not need to track anything. I like to track just to see which account is doing what, how my account with 100 leads every day is comparing to my account with 200 leads every day. So for my first account, I just use MLGS, stands for My Lead Gen Secret. In here, this is the first time I ever seen this. Whenever I sent out my emails yesterday, I've never seen a site that had two. They're giving you options, like which do you want to send them. So if I click on this is what the page will look like that we're going to send them. And it has this guy talking, explaining. This is the one I sent them yesterday. I'll probably send them again today. And I'll show you what the other one looks like. Halfway through, I'm going to switch it up and then send them this one. This one looks more like a job application or something, like a job description of what they're about to do if they're about to fill out a job application. So this I think is pretty cool too. I've never seen one like this. Usually they're always some kind of video sales letter page or something. So I think that's pretty cool. I can't wait to send that one. But just starting off, I'm just going to do the first one probably for 3 days. And then the last 4 days, I'll probably send the other one just because I like it. All right, so I'm going to go back to promote. Put my tracking ID in. Then I'm going to send them the first one. All I have to do now is just hit create hop link. Now what that did is it created my affiliate link. This is a link we need to post so people can click on it, and whenever they click on it and buy from it, you earn a commission. So right here, my head's covering up. There's a button that says copy that looks just like this. You'll hit copy, and it'll say hop link copied. So I'm going to come back to my mailing system, and I'm going to look for places to insert this link. Right here where it says click here to complete your application. You just highlight that whole sentence. Any place where it says click here or anything that you could just imagine you reading and just be like, oh, well, that's a link should go right there. So you have to read through these emails that you send out because each email is going to have a place for you to put your link. So to insert your link, you'll come up here to this little, it looks like a link, a little chain link. Or you can hit Control L on your keyboard as a shortcut, and it'll pop up this box right here. Then you will just paste your link in that box. Then click OK. Make sure this box is checked for perfect timing. I'm going to scan one more time just to make sure. Okay. So I'm going to hit preview right here. If you click this button, you'll send the email. But to the right of it is a red button that says preview. I always like to preview my emails first, and it'll pop up this little window. I just like to make sure my link is in there, and if people click on it, it works. So as you can see, it takes them to the link, so it works. So now I'm just going to hit send email. Now to send emails to my second account, or with my second account, this is how I like to do it. It's the fastest way to do it and the easiest way to do it. So what I'm going to do now, which I just messed up, I'm pretty sure. Yep, I just messed up. For some reason this site, it always gets rid of this bar and I can't log out. So I'm just going to do it the long way, but I'm going to do it real quick. I'm signing into my second account right now. Usually I would just duplicate this tab and I wouldn't have to insert my link and do their names again and all that other good stuff, but it is what it is. I'm going to select all my leads, come to the subject line. I'm going to get my subject line from the email again. I'm going to paste that in there, highlight all that, delete that. And this is why I didn't cut this, because I knew I might mess up and I could come back to it. Just copy that, paste that right there, change my name, change their name. Go get my affiliate link. And yeah, I do need to do that. Put a 2 right there, create hop link. Now you see there's a 2 at the end. Since this is my second account, I like to put a number 2 at the end. So I'm going to copy that hop link, highlight this sentence, insert my link, hit OK, perfect timing, preview, check it, it works, close it, send email. It's that simple. It's that simple. It would have been even easier had I duplicated the tab, but I messed up. So that's it. No sales today. That's all going to change tomorrow. Watch. You all come back and watch. Tomorrow I'm going to have 2 sales in here tomorrow. So I thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you would, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, come back and see if I got a sale tomorrow. So come back and check it out. I want to see some of y'all's results. If you all are doing this and you all are getting some results, please leave it in the comments or something. I want to see what everybody else is doing. Thank you. And you all have a good day. You all take care.